You know, one of my favorite things to do when I'm out camping is to make baba ganoush, because this dish is so simple and so easy, especially when you're camping. There's barely any dishes involved. You don't have to wash up, and it just tastes so nice because it's so simple. So here we've built a fire, like the no maintenance fire video that I posted earlier, and then you just put your eggplants on. That's it. So actually, I'm gonna poke it just a bit, because otherwise it will explode. You just poke it with a fork, give it a few knots, and then chuck it right on. And this fire is very, very, very hot, and that's what we want, because we want a nice charred skin, and inside is going to be super creamy to blend in with tahini, garlic, and olive oil. That's it. And we can flip it now. So the skin's pretty charred, and you can feel it, it's pretty soft inside, and that means it's cooked all the way through. If there's any firm spots, just give it a couple minutes and that's it. But yeah, just put it in a bowl, let it cool down, and we'll peel the skins, and that's it, really. All right, so I'm running out of time with the light, but it's still pretty hot, and you just grab the head of the eggplants, which is this part with the stem, and then you just begin to peel off the skin. That's it. You don't want to eat the charred stuff. And see, there's no flesh left on the skin, so it comes right off. You don't have to get your hands dirty, and that's it. That's it. Done. You just take the head, chop it off with the fork. It's that easy. We'll do the second one, and then I'll show you how to blend in the tahini. Right, so I've just blended this with the fork, and it should have a pretty loose consistency, like that. And then we take a couple spoons of tahini, a couple spoons of water, a bit of salt, pepper, and crushed garlic. If you don't know how to crush garlic properly, you just hit it with a knife. You chop once until you've chopped the whole garlic, and then you crush it with a knife again. This table sucks. Crushed garlic, 15 seconds. Don't bother with a jar. Why bother when you can have the fresh stuff? So you just pop it in the bowl, and then we're gonna add a bit of lemon to balance out the richness of the tahini. And that's it, really. This is kind of your dressing. This should be a loose consistency. That's what you want. We put in our tahini, and we just kind of fold it together. Finish off with some olive oil. Bit more pepper. Let's try it. Oh, I don't even need bread. I can just eat it out of the bowl. All right, so there it is, baba ganoush, plain and simple. You can do so many things with baba ganoush. Just use it as a dip. It lasts for about 3 or 4 days. And there it is. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Now we're just gonna enjoy this with this beautiful view that we have. It's insane, incredible. So good.